Good evening everybody, I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is September 13th and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how to use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions, but I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla down $12.43, that's 4.08%. Closed at 292. Post-market, we are up by 3 cents. We had a big news today. So the CPI, the Customer Price Index, year to year this month is 8.3% higher than what it was at the same time last year. And the analysts were basically expecting it to be around 7.9 to 8. So this was a disappointment. This solidifies the fact that the Federal Reserve might increase the interest rates by 0.75% on the 21st of September. So this sent the stock market in a frenzy. Look at my next video where I'm going to look at the VIX, the Dow Jones, SPX, and I'm going to tell you the play that I did on the SPX because it turned down. But let's talk about Tesla for now. So we had a nice streak with Tesla, a nice streak of 4 days, 4 green candles. And now we are coming back down a little bit. We closed lower than 293.77, the support that we also had. Let's look at the 1 hour chart to understand this a little bit better. This is where we opened today. So we had a gap down right here. We had a gap down and we stabilized at 292.39 and we have a double support kind of thing at 291.77. So basically we have a big drop down right here. I'm going to tell you what I did. It does not mean that this was the perfect play, but this is what I did. I was in since 275 approximately. So I was in right here on the 1 hour chart with a good stochastic over 60. And then I wrote this all out. I could have sold here at 303, but this is never what I want to do because if you sell at the high, you don't know if the stock was going to go higher. You don't know that. But with technical analysis, with the type of technical analysis I do, which is the trend following, we are never exactly at the bottom. The bottom was here at 266. So I was not in at the bottom. I was in at 277, but when I was in at 277, I had a lot more chances that the stock would be going higher, and this is what it did. If I had bought here at 266, there is not much trend following indicator to tell me that it's going to go up. There's not much because the next day it could have gone down. I am trading the perfect bottom and the perfect top for a higher probability trade. And this worked. I bought stocks right here and I sold them this morning right here on that red candle. After this first hour, I was going to hold my stock. I was giving the chance for Tesla to bounce on the support that I just mentioned. When I saw that we were breaking that support, and that we did not have a good stochastic, it was at 38. After the first candle right here, it was at 59. So at 59, I'm going to keep it. I'm going to keep it because 59 is close to 60. So there's a decent chance that the stock could go back up. So I kept it for that 1 hour. And then when I saw that things were going down, I sold it. Then the stock started going back up, but without stochastic. So as I always say, without stochastic, a move up in the stock is insignificant. You should not even look at it. This is what happened here. It went up and now it seems like it wants to go down and we have a stochastic at 9. So I would clearly not be surprised that we go back down to 285.46 tomorrow. That's entirely possible. This was the 1 hour play I did. I prefer to play Tesla on the 1 hour chart because Tesla is moving so fast and it changes direction very fast. So to me, this is my strategy. I am comfortable with it and blah, blah, blah. Now, if we go back on the daily chart, let's look at what happened with our indicators. With this move down, we lost a stochastic over 60. This is not boding too well for longer term investors on the daily chart. There's no panic to be had yet, because we still have support. We still have support, and we have support right here. So it's sad a little bit. If you entered here, we had a very small move before we had a move back down. So I'm sorry, but sometimes it just happens. What happened today with the CPI index did not help anything at all. You have several choices. If you entered here, you can basically get out here before 4. It's a little bit too late now, and now it would have been even Steven in terms of gains and loss. You can also say, okay, we are still into this upward channel, and you can just hold it. You can just hold it. And Tesla is going to have an AI day later this month and blah, blah, blah. There's a decent chance that things start to pick up right here on that support and then continue to go up. If we break this support, then I would say if you own Tesla still at that point, I would get out myself, because the bull trend will have been over. Boom. So this is my suggestion to you. In terms of other indicators, so everything is still great in terms of indicators. You know, one candle does not make a trend. On the daily chart, we have only one candle. On the 1 hour chart, we had several candles, enough to see that something short term on the hourly chart might be happening, which is that there's a decent chance that we go lower. But on the daily chart, it's just one candle, and we cannot conclude too much besides the fact that we have lost stochastic over 60, but that's still a significant thing. So head out to my VIX, Dow Jones, and S&P 500 and NASDAQ index video, and we are going to take a look at what happened on that side. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.